Tonight, I'm supposed to challenge Vito. I don't care about Vito's pride. That is royally disrespectful. And Thaddeus should be ashamed of himself for putting me in such a match. Now, as your world heavyweight champion, I will be taking the night off. Thank you.
Now hold on a minute, player. Hold on. Now you don't want to take on Vito tonight, so next week you will be in a steel cage match for your World Heavyweight Championship.
You're going to put me in a steel cage match? You're going to lock me up? Okay, well then, who will I be facing next week in a steel cage match for my World Heavyweight Championship?
King Booker, you'll go one-on-one
No.
with The Undertaker.
Oh!
Holla.
Hell
Holla,
no!
holla.
Every time that I pass, I'm intimidating the most and fear my